and stick.
These are my pets. I've got a cat. And I've got a dog. I've got a rabbit. And I've got a guinea pig. This is my mouse. And this is my parrot. I've got a tortoise. And I've got a snake. This is my fish. And this is my spider.
Now listen and say. Cat,
Cat,
dog,
dog,
rabbit,
rabbit,
guinea pig,
guinea pig,
mouse,
mouse,
parrot,
parrot,
tortoise,
tortoise,
snake,
snake,
fish,
fish,
spider.
spider. Okay? So now I say the number and you say the animal. Number 3. Rabbit. Number 6. Parrot. Number 9. Fish. Number 1. Cat. Number 7. Tortoise. Number 10. Spider. Number 4. Guinea pig. Number 8. Snake. Number 5. Mouse. Number 2. Dog. I've got a dog. I haven't got a cat. What about you? What are your pets?